In today's video, it's a brow tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how to do a full brow, make your brows look thicker, make them look fuller, and literally double the size. Let's get into it. And before we start, I wanna say this is an in-depth tutorial, okay? I don't want you to focus on product, I want you to focus on technique, all right? Let's get started. We're not plucking our brows. I'm gonna show you my trick at the end. You'll see it all makes sense. First step is translucent powder. I have skincare on and I don't want any of that slip underneath the brow hairs. So I'm pushing that powder in and making sure my whole brow is coated. Now I have black hair, but I'm starting off with a medium brown shade. I like to think of this as my first shade because brows have dimension and it's my backfill shade. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of structure to my brows, a little bit of dimension in small flicks like this. And as you can see, that has already made a big difference. But remember, that's the backfill of our brows. So that's the back color of our brows. I want it to look full, right? And that's how we're gonna achieve it, by adding a back color. Now I'm gonna slowly start adding shape to my brow. I want to extend a little bit here, okay? And I want to start forming my shape. So I extend the brow a little bit in the front to just add harmony and balance to my facial proportions. Because if my nose starts here, I know this is where I'm gonna do my contour, I know this is where everything's gonna start in the center of my face, my brows should also mimic that. And of course, I'm going to fill in that area with my backfill shade. Now, as you can see, the before and after is already insane. What we've done here is we've added structure to the brow. Okay, there's a base for our brow. The color is there, the pigment is there. We've laid down the structural shape of the brow as well. Now I'm gonna go in with a spoolie and we're going to blend all of that together. See how that softened it up? Now I'm going in with a dark brown shade. And the reason I do this is because our brows are different. Okay, some are thinner, some are thicker, some are layered differently, some have brows behind it, some stand alone. So to create a natural looking brow, you need to create that dimension in your brow. Now I'm gonna focus on this arch, okay? We're gonna extend a little bit with a darker shade and make sure it lines up with our face, okay? Just for harmony. And then I want to kind of create my brow shape. I want a bit of a higher arch. The brow shape looks weird because it's not balanced, okay? So you can see there is too much heaviness on my arch. So how am I going to make this look natural? We're going to even it out by adding a little bit right here. See how that flows so much better? But now the weight of this arch doesn't match this. So we are going to structure that, add structure to it. Beautiful. Now let's brush all of this up so there are no harsh lines. I want you guys to trust the process. This is what the brow looks like up close, but here's where we are already. Here's the before and after of just those steps. As you can see, we've added balance, proportion, dimension, structure to our face just by those steps. I'm telling you, brows are so important. They make a huge difference in your makeup routine and they frame your face. Next, go in with brow gel. I know this is different than what you see on social media, but we just built a whole brow, okay? I don't want this brow gel to turn into a brow tint and take over the whole brow. It's up to you, but I apply brow gel to only my brow hairs. That looks great, but now I like to move away. Turn my head, you can see exactly where I need more brow hairs. See? Now we're gonna use the magic of a brow pen. Let's create dimension, baby. See? Now I'm gonna take some concealer. Remember, we didn't do our brows, so we're gonna fake the look of a brow wax. With an angled brush, I'm just applying. I'm not applying too close to the brow. I don't really want that crisp 2016 brow. I want it to look natural. So I take a blending brush and I take the remaining concealer and I melt it into the rest of my face, my eye, just like that. Now the area around our brows are perfected. I promise we're almost done. Remember, there are so many different formulas on this brow, from brow gel to brow pencil to brow liquid. We need to set that with powder. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And here is the finished look, my love. We have now doubled our brow size. The brows look bigger, fuller, thicker, there's balance, there's proportion. And I wanna say, I structured this whole tutorial so you could stop where you need to stop, because we all have different brow preferences, right? If you wanna just backfill your brows, just backfill your brows. Okay, that's the technique I wanted to show you. If you wanna add some structure and dimension, that's the technique I showed you. If you want to add a different arch, okay, you need to remember to balance the arch with the bottom. So there are different takeaways from this, and that's why I wanted to focus on technique, okay? But of course, we got to the full brow, and this brow is like bam. But take away what you need from this video. I don't want you to follow it step by step. I want you to take what you need in your beauty routine and use it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And see, makeup is easy.